bat ka jylla UCH Vijay Shankar hane ka sengi wala pynkup burom ya ka Dr. Delphine Gary Momin ya ka patokan Sangma Award nangta ya Meiieid Kmoin Wahlang u Kiang Nangbah Award bat sya uba Benedict Skemlang nyota da Utiro Singh Award ya kani kajing sami ka award lapan long hapo kaying sa jong u halok bhawan ha ka ba lawan ban sakhilang da ka Chief Justice jong kam Meghalaya High Court kinong bishar jong kam Meghalaya High Court kumju ru la donlang ru da uba Adelbert Nongrum MLA Kanot Shillong constituency but ki he sipai ki he pulet ki badon ha ka jylla hi baro kawai la penchong shit shu e tang kasi da ki jingrai but ki jingput jingdam ki ba pher
The Kiang Nangbah Award for achievement in the field of sports and games has been conferred upon Meiieid Kmoin Wahlang, and she is requested to come up to the dais to receive her citation and a check for Rs 51,000.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, hands to sir. Thank you, sir. Look, sir.
And the Utiro Singh Award for Arts and Literature has been conferred upon Shri Benedict Skemlang Nyota, the dais, to receive your citation and a check for Rs 50.
Thank you, sir. Look, sir.
Who is awarded to the king of the show, Shri. I request all the artists of the various troops to please come up in an orderly manner to the dais.